think one of the reasons I like spring rolls so much is because of the dipping sauce. I'm going to show you how to make this dipping sauce. It's really easy. We're going to start with a jar of hoisin sauce and a jar of plum sauce. They're equal sizes and they're about 14 ounces each. And then to that we're going to add some peanut butter. I'm going to saute the garlic and the onions until they're nice and soft, so just a few minutes. Now that the onions and garlic are soft, I'm going to head and add the sauces now. So I'm going to take the hoisin sauce and I'm going to use the entire jar. And it is a little bit thick, so you want to get all of it out. Next I'm going to add the plum sauce. And again, we're going to use the entire jar. Third ingredient is peanut butter, and I'm going to add about a half a cup of creamy peanut butter. I'm going to continue stirring this over low heat until everything is nicely incorporated. Now I can spoon them into some dipping bowls. And these dipping sauces are ready for dipping. Enjoy them with your favorite spring rolls.
Hi everyone, this is Tuong again, sharing with you another how-to video. Did you like how simple this recipe was to make? Tell me about it by posting your comments below. I have some fun things in the works in the upcoming weeks. Don't forget to hit subscribe to stay tuned to my new videos. See you again soon.